right, y'all. I just got back from the distractions already. Before I even technically start my video, the distractions. Welcome back to my channel. I just got back from the chiro. Don't know what the chiro is? It's short for chiropractor. I just got my back cracked. And you guys get to see me in action.
baby. You don't need a 50 treatment plan from a chiro or a therapist. You need about 6 visits a year where you can do this. I am a mechanic for you. We rotate your tires, change your oil. You can get 5,000 miles out of it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And here's the thing too, because I've been doing this long enough. Start now, because you'll be 60 quicker than you think. And you'll be able to still do what you want to do. My day is full of 60 and 70-year-olds who waited until they were broken.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so meet the bestie. And yes, it's her hair, y'all. That's her, all hers, y'all. Don't even worry about it. It's all hers. So we are about to get our pedicures done on the feet, y'all. On the feet, like the fit, y'all. Like the fit. Look at her. With a little set. Okay. So we just had Chick-Fil-A, as y'all can see. Chick-Fil-A bandits. Whew. We're a little early on our appointment. We are in a waiting area, waiting on Carrie, our favorite nail tech, pedicurist, eyebrowist, everything. Get you right. Okay, y'all, we just got back from getting our feet done. I was supposed to vlog, y'all, but what happened was the girl was knocked out in the chair. She was not. So then we had Total Wines, about to get some wine. Keep some game. And... Okay, thank you. Get my wine, y'all. That was quick. We are in and out. Got the 2 wines. We're gonna sushi tonight. Total Wines. Get y'all some wine, okay? It's Saturday. Get some wine. What up, y'all? So it's a couple days later. I did not end my vlog. You're seeing this very, I didn't end it, so I'm coming back on here to end it. Guys, I'm so sorry. Like, hectic day. Got food, went home, chilled with the hubby, with the baby, and we just chilled the rest of the day. Sorry I didn't end that vlog. But I'm back to end it right now. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Smash the like button for this video and check out my other content. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.